Delay the repair until a dry spell whenever possible to avoid rain washing out uncured material. When heavy rain is forecast and delay is not possible, plan the job around curing times and protect the repair site proactively. Use quick-setting repair mixes when appropriate because they reduce the window of vulnerability, and follow the manufacturer cure time while factoring in lower temperatures and high humidity, which slow chemical reactions. Create a simple temporary enclosure with a tarp pitched to shed water away from the repair and secure it with weights or anchors so wind cannot expose the patch. Place ventilation openings high and low to avoid trapping moisture when using patch products that need air. If you must work during damp conditions, increase the recommended cure time by at least 50% and avoid applying subsequent layers until the base is fully firm to the touch and resists light pressure. Keep tools and materials dry by storing them under cover and preconditioning them to ambient temperature so they do not introduce extra moisture into the mix. Use a moisture meter or the simple fingertip test for cementitious patches. A slightly cool surface indicates retained moisture, and you should wait longer. The most common mistake is starting the repair right before or during rain, which leads to washout and weak bonds, and the remedy is to reschedule or build a reliable cover and only proceed when protection is in place. A second common issue is underestimating cure time in damp conditions, which results in premature traffic and failure. The fix is to extend cure times and verify hardness before reopening the area. A third frequent concern is inadequate edge preparation or wet substrate that prevents adhesion. Dry exposed surfaces as much as possible, square cut edges, back to sound material, and use a bonding primer rated for damp surfaces when available. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project know-how related to weather-sensitive repairs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members trade tips, post real job photos, and talk through timing and protective measures so both homeowners and contractors can make better decisions.